What are acids, what are bases, what the difference between acids and bases, their physical and chemical properties. All these questions we will discuss in this video and understand the full concept of acids and bases. To understand acid, let me move little bit in past. Remember the time that you have eaten up an orange or a lemon and try to memorize the taste of both of them. Yeah, you are correct. They were both in sour in taste, and you better know it that the first property of the acids are that acids are sour in taste, that you have right now prove it, and the second one is the acid change blue litmus to red litmus paper. So how can we define acid? Acids are those substances which change blue litmus to red litmus and are sour in taste. So these things are the acids. We have classified the acids into two categories, first of weak acid and second one of strong acid. Weak acids are the acids which have little bit more pH value, less than 7 but greater than 3. So these are the example of weak acid such as tartaric acid, we can say formic acid. These are the example of weak acid. And the acids which have very less pH, example of like 1, 2 or 3, these are very dangerous acid which are very harmful for our body. Such example are of like HCl, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid and nitric acid. These are very strong acids. What are bases? So guys, to understand base we have to move to our soap and detergent. Both these things are bases. Why these are basic? Because these are little bit bitter in taste, and when we dissolve these things in water they release OH negative ions. And the second one thing is then we will put them in our litmus paper, the red litmus paper changes into blue litmus paper. So how can we define bases? Bases are those substances which are bitter in taste and change red litmus paper to blue litmus paper. Many bases are soluble in water, just like potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. These are water soluble. So the term that is given to the water soluble bases is alkalines. Alkalines are the substances which are soluble in water. Just like our acids, bases are also categorized into two categories. First one is weak base and second one is strong base. First we understand the strong bases. Strong bases are the bases that have the pH value more than 11 and less than, or you can say 14 or less than 14. So basically these are some example of strong bases such as potassium hydroxide and sodium hydroxide. Now we look at the weak bases. Weak bases are the bases that have pH value more than 7 but less than 11. These are weak bases such as example magnesium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide are the weak bases. Now let me move to the differences between acids and bases. The first thing is that the acids are sour in taste while the bases are bitter in taste. The second point is that the acids turns litmus paper to red color while the bases turn litmus paper to blue color. And the third point is that when we dissolve acid in water it releases aspirative ions, and while we dissolve bases in water they release OH negative ions. So guys, these are the 3 points that differentiate between the acids and bases. It's time to move to the chemical properties of acid. When we react any acid with the metal we will get salt and the hydrogen gas. So the example of the acid plus metal given salt and hydrogen gas is when we react HCl with zinc we will get zinc chloride plus hydrogen gas. Here is your reaction. And the second properties of the acids is that when we react any acid with the metal carbonate or metal bicarbonate we will get the salt plus carbon dioxide gas and water. We will get 3 our results. And the example of the acid plus metal carbonate and bicarbonate given carbon dioxide, water and salt is that when we react sodium carbonate plus hydrochloric acid, we will get sodium chloride, carbon dioxide and water. The second one example of hydrogen carbonate is that when we react sodium hydrogen carbonate with HCl, we will get sodium chloride, carbon dioxide and water. This is our second property. When we react any acid with metal carbonate or metal bicarbonate, we will get salt, carbon dioxide and water. Let's move to the third property, which is very important, that is also called neutralization reaction. A reaction in which acid react with bases give salt and water. Neutralization reactions are the reactions in which acid get react with the bases and give salt and water. The example of the acids and bases reaction is that sodium carbonate NaOH plus hydraulic chloride acid like HCl gives us sodium chloride and water. For example, NaOH plus HCl, we will get NaCl plus H2O. This reaction is also called neutralization reaction because in neutralization reaction acid get react with base and give salt and water. So these were the properties of the acids. There are many similarities between the chemical properties of acids and bases. Just like the first chemical properties of the bases is that when we react any base with metal, it will release हाइड्रोजन गैस एंड गिव अस अ साल्ट. फॉर एग्जांपल व्हेन वी रिएक्ट सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड जो कि एक बेस है NaOH प्लस Zn जिंक गिव अस sodium zincate Na2ZnO2 plus hydrogen gas. Here we can observe the hydrogen gas is released. I hope you have understand the full concept of acids and bases. For more videos please subscribe my this channel, and so see you guys in my next video.